All right, well, you have a good weekend. And like I said, just try as much as you can just to ice that over the weekend.
All right, perfect.
All right.
Drop this leg down more. On your back, thank you. Let that loose, John, for me. Let me have it, let it go.
Yeah, man, it's just...
Drop this leg down more. On your back, thank you. Good job. You alright? Yeah. Now straighten those legs out. Bring this over. And let this nice and loose. Let it go.
Yeah.
Other side.
No pain, no gain, but...
Loose.
Coming back at you.
Now let's flip you over on your tummy, okay? Okay. And then if you want to take your mask off and keep it down, maybe easier. I'm going to get your knees.
Still
No.
fat, I'm working on
You're
my
fine
weight.
with
How do you feel now, though? Better?
I mean, definitely more movement. You know, it's still tender there, but like definitely.
Relax it back
Well,
down.
all I want you to do is ice over there,
Yeah.
and I want you to do a 45-degree stretch to bring this arm up to the back of your head.
Good.
I want you to just-
We're going to get the other side, Liam.
Till I see you next week, I believe it is.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, you have a good weekend. And like I said, just try as much as you can just to ice that
Okay.
over the weekend.
All right, perfect.
All righty, Joe. Thank you so much.
Good, John. Let's have you stand up for me. Now let me see you bend to the right. Keep that left foot down. Yeah, that's better. Go back the other way. Okay. So what's nice about that is, you know, I think it's more left central, and when I adjust just the left side, your range of motion improves to the right as well as to the left. So I think that's the right ticket. Okay?
Great.
All right, I'll see you next week then. Okay? Good.
Okay.